Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And for this video, we're going to unbox a DC Heroclix Masters of Time Jurassic Super Booster. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a Jurassic Super Booster, which we won as part of the pricing in the recently concluded Singapore Heroclix Nationals event. So again, thank you very much to all the Pinoy HeroClix players who supported me, and thank you to the Singapore group, especially the Team Board Games and Edison and everyone. Okay, so I'm so bad with names, but you know who you are. So, and I'm excited to get and look into the contents of this. So let's go ahead and do so. Okay, so we are hoping to get any of the dinosaurs, but especially a Supersaur and possibly a Chase in the Jurassic booster. Okay, I know my main collection is X-Men, but DC wise, there's no harm to get a dinosaur, right? And we have, ooh, a green dinosaur. Okay, so this is new. We have here, ooh, a Wonder Woman team up card, uncommon team up card of Wonder Woman. We have a Beast Boy. Our dinosaur chase is Beast Boy. Okay, 120 points only, no other point value. Charge Flurry for the special movement. For the special attack, which is Chump, Blaze Claws Fang, but may use it if targeting up to 2 characters and rolls a separate d6 for each hit character because he has 2 targets. Okay, that's good. Okay, and at the back, Stop Click. Okay, when this click is first revealed, you may replace Beast Boy with a character named Beast Boy on their last non-KO click, so he reverts into another Beast Boy, perhaps a base form of Beast Boy, and he has the Outsiders and Team Player ability, which is really good. Doom Patrol, Teen Titans, Animal, and Celebrity keywords. Okay, perhaps a body of Kong. 10, 12, 19, 4 makes him 8 reach for Charge and Flurry with that blade. Okay, so he can be devastating. Let's take a look at the skull. Okay, I'm not gonna remove him from the base. Okay, but this is the Beast Boy. Okay, a green dinosaur. Okay, and then we have here the Prehistoric Warrior. Okay, here we go. And we have also a super rare, but he or she is out of base. So this is Shadow. Okay, Shadow, you can see here, is an assassin, marksman, martial artist. As a trait, so fast you don't see my hands move. Range, make up to 3 range attacks. When Shadow does, she can target characters that took damage this turn, so meaning 3 separate characters. Okay, she might be a good alpha striker in that sense. Ninja training is stealth and running shot, so 4 is half of 8 plus 5, so 9 reach to target 3 different characters for 3 damage each. Oh, not 3 but 4 because she has range combat expert and enhancement. Friendly characters with the marksman keyword modify range plus 1 including herself, so she becomes 6. She's really good because of that range combat expert. 12-4 with precision strike and 3 targets, 75 points. Okay, she's probably good at 75 points or even at 30 points because that will make her 3 move and then 6 range and then 11 attack, 3 damage with precision strike and can move through characters and see through characters. Interesting. Okay. Green Arrow, the Longbow Hunter's Tree, is the significant appearance. She seems to be a must-have for assassin teams. Okay, so but she is out of base. No worries, it's an easy fix, I guess. Okay, so that's Shadow. Okay, so that's the Super Booster. Thank you once again to everyone, and until the next unboxing. Bye bye.